When the internet became mainstream, people were like really worried about retail jobs disappearing, but instead we got entire careers that nobody could have predicted 20 years earlier. I would say that AI agents are pretty similar to this. They're really good at repetitive work, coordinating information and executing tasks, but at the same time, they still need humans to define goals and oversee them and build trust and decide whether they should or shouldn't have autonomy. So I don't really think the question is necessarily like, will AI replace people? I think it's more so like, which parts of your job can become automated to allow for scalability, and what higher value work does that free humans up to do? And so I think that's already happening today. It's a pretty exciting shift in my opinion. I'm Joanna. I lead ecosystem partnerships at Billions Network. With over 2.5 million verified humans and over 25,000 verified agents, Billions has one of the largest human-to-agent pairing ecosystems out there, and very excited to dig into why all of this matters today.
Walk me through a real day, like an agent that negotiates, shops, pays on someone's behalf. Like, who is involved? Where does money move? Like, how would it look like in real life?
Imagine I have a travel agent AI. I tell it I want to spend a week in Tokyo in October, stay under $2,500, prioritize direct flights. This is like directly out of my real life, by the way. My agent starts to talk to airline agents, hotel booking agents, maybe even like travel insurance agents, and those negotiate availability. They can compare pricing, reserve inventory, and then my agent can come back to me with the best option. Once I approve it, it can then go book everything and add it to my calendar and pay for it, and keep watching prices in case they like drop, and also maybe coordinate with my other friends as well. There isn't just like one AI involved. It could be dozens of specialized agents working together behind the scenes. Even I've noticed parts of my trip planning where I haven't used my AI agent. I've decided to directly call an airline myself. Guess who picked up the phone? It's an AI agent, right? So it's pretty interesting to see this. And I think money moves through different payment providers, different travel companies, potentially even crypto rails, depending on the ecosystem. And yeah, eventually reaches like businesses providing the service. So there's a lot of layers and parties involved here, especially for something like planning a trip. And I think that's what AI agents can be really helpful at. So it's one AI agent versus me having 50 Chrome tabs open.